Here is your girl 2 Degrees No Job, and in this video we will be recreating wall art that is inspired by an artist I discovered on Instagram. He goes by the name of Julian Gaines, and let me tell you, this is sick.
My name is Julian Gaines. I'm from the south side of Chicago. People know me by Jew or Jew working on projects. Out here in Miami, came out here and collaborated, partnered with Unknown and my family from F and Vodka, and we put together a solo exhibition that entitled Black Souls. Black Souls is a concept, more like a double entendre I came up with through my affinity for shoes and Jordan 1s, and so the sole of the shoe is like 3/4 of the shoe, and so I thought about how in America the black man is still seen today as 3/4 of human beings.
Did anyone else just feel that? Wow. The very first thing we're gonna do is create 2 separate frames using 1x2 pine common board and some plywood. I like to cut the borders of the frame at a 75-degree angle. It just looks more neat. Next, I'm using this wood stain in classic black. I'll be honest, this took forever to dry, and I left it out for a very long time because the smell was unbearable. So now that it is all dry, you want to use some wood glue in order to attach the border of the frames. For more security, I'm also using some nails. You want to add the right amount of glue, not too much, because it will seep out. And then what I did was use this ready screw. These are just screws that are going to allow me to put my art on the wall. Now, don't get too excited because I obviously, like, who can get Jordan 1s like that? So I was very fortunate to have a community that donated their white-ups. They were beat up of all sorts. And here I am spray painting them black. I know. A lot of y'all are not a fan of black Air Forces, but this is just what I had, okay? Now, the plywood that I use measured 24 inches by 24 inches, which means that I'd be able to fit 4 pair of soles per frame. For my first frame, I used glue. I used this leather to help me indicate the spaces in between the soles, and my heavy ass coin collection so that the soles don't move. Second frame, I decided to screw the soles on because I ran out of glue. Either way works perfectly. I'd say that the glue is more secure, but you can do both. If you're wondering why one frame has 4 soles and the other has 2, it's because I was only able to get 6 pair of white-ups. Nonetheless, your girl is still very grateful for the donations. Let's just act like that's what it's supposed to give, okay? These came out so good, I decided to add some picture lights. This has a remote and it's like this brass color, super cute. It's all for the look, and here's the reveal. Back to you on the track. Do I still have to say it? Yeah, I am. This is my favorite video. Yeah, I know. Let me know what y'all think. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I'ma see ya. Peace. Sweetheart, since you still watching or whatever, like, what's up? Watch my other videos. Like, I do home decor and DIY videos every 2 weeks. Feel free to also follow me on Instagram. It's at 2degreesnojob. So, yeah.